Hi, welcome to the 10th exercise. I love this one. Today we will do a river of life. Well, more like a river of your relationship with your parent. First, let me describe the river of life exercise. You have a rope and you put the rope on the floor. One end of the rope represents your birth, and then the curves of the river represent the curves of your life, and you shape this river, this rope, how you desire. And then you mark with notes or with small toys the important life events on this river stream. And then we talk about each event with my clients. I adjusted this exercise a little bit, so you will be drawing the river that represent your relationship with your parent. In the end of this exercise, you will have two rivers, one that represents relationship with your father and the other that represents relationship with your mother. This is also the first time we will take a chronological look at your relationship. And you can start even before your birth because the relationship is already forming there. What did you hear about your pregnancy? How the birth went? And what did you hear about yourself as a baby? If your relationship was a river, what shape would it take? Identify various events in your life that shaped your relationship with your parent and mark them down by drawing places where the river changes its course, or draw rough waters, stones, narrow flows, also river drying out. You can use the different shades of color to represent the different moods. You can also use the different materials like color pencils, natural materials, glitter, newspaper cutouts. Different materials can really help you to showcase the relationship with your parent. If you don't have a relationship, please mark that in your river. Many young kids want a relationship or observe peers that have a relationship with their parent. Maybe you imagined or wondered what happened to your parent. Maybe with time you didn't care anymore, or you felt betrayed or angry. Draw your emotional process regarding this parent as a river. After you finish drawing, pretend that I am next to you and you are explaining each curve, each change in the river. I want to know, tell me how secure you feel in this relationship. Did you felt truly, fully accepted in this relationship? Why not? Are you feeling validated? Does your voice count? Did your parent show interest in you? I really appreciate that you opened up to me and told me all of those things. This is a wrap for today. Do the body scan and sitting with the emotions, and we see each other in the last 11th assignment.